We are just a few hours away from the historic arraignment of former President Donald Trump. He's set to become the first former U.S. president or current to face criminal charges.
New York City police are preparing for protests and on high alert for any violence. Here's a live look of the criminal courthouse in downtown Manhattan. Metal barricades outside the courthouse. Across town, police buses parked on Fifth Avenue right outside of Trump Tower. You can see a lot more activity. We have plenty of law enforcement vehicles there as well. Well, let's bring in our Monica Coleman, who has been tracking the case. Monica, how did the former president even get here? Can you break that down for us?
Yeah, good question. Well, this indictment has been years in the making, beginning just a year into his first term as president. Let's start in August of 2018 with Trump's former personal lawyer, Michael Cohen. After Cohen pleaded guilty to federal crimes, he told a court that the former president directed him to make hush money payments to two women during the 2016 campaign to keep them from speaking publicly about alleged affairs with Trump. In August of 2019, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office opened its investigation into the matter. That same month, officials in New York issued a subpoena for Trump's personal and corporate tax returns. Those tax records were not turned over until February of 2021. In January of this year, the Manhattan DA's office opened a new grand jury that met for the next 3 months to hear testimony about those hush money payments, leading us to today's indictment. Now the city is bracing for possible protest.
Our message is clear and simple. Control yourselves. New York City is our home, not a playground for your misplaced anger.
For days, Trump has lashed out on Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg in the hours before boarding his plane for New York, attacking the judge Juan Merchan as a Trump-hating judge who would never give him a fair trial. But Trump's own lawyer disagreeing with the former president, saying he does not believe the judge is biased, but says the president is entitled to his own opinion.
Monica, this has been going on for a long time. All started about 5 years ago. So what can we expect to happen for the president today?
Well, the former president has a long day ahead of him and a very busy schedule. It's unclear if after he surrenders, he'll be fingerprinted or have a mugshot taken, or even if he'll be given to us, to the public. Once the hearing starts, we'll get our first look at the actual charges, including any felonies. He is expected to plead not guilty. Also, once Trump leaves the courthouse, he will return to his Mar-a-Lago estate, where he plans to address supporters. So again, a very long day, and we'll keep all eyes on New York.
Yes, we will. Monica, thank you. We'll have continuing coverage of this all day long, so stay with ABC 10 as we continue to cover this historic indictment throughout the day. We will have the latest updates on ABC 10 News and, of course, on our website, abc10.com.